Hello guys, once again, thank you for watching our YouTube channel here at Jofer Interiors SMP Spaces Made Perfect. Now today we're going to show you how to clean your refrigerator appliance, not in the way you might think. Now this particular way of cleaning your refrigerator appliance will help you save money and also have your refrigerator work in a very efficient way year after year, avoiding you the need of having to purchase a new one. Now, to get started, we're going to need a pair of gloves, your favorite goggles, protect the eyes, and your favorite face mask. And guys, we'll see you at the dark side.